I'm looking for some help here, okay? These are rollers, okay? These rollers mount right here on the front of the ramp. They bolt in through here. There's one on either side, and there's 4 of them. There's 2 on that one, and there's 2 on this one here. And they roll right here, okay? That's where they're supposed to roll to. These things are supposed to turn. There's a bearing inside. These are all seized up. I don't know where I can get them. Like this is what I got one taken apart. This is what they looks like. This is the shaft. This here is 30 millimeters across here, okay? And this is what the bearing rod's on itself. And it's like it was greasable as well. And this is the section here. This is what I'm after, is these. I need to replace these. I need new of these. I just got to source them. I don't know where to get them. They're supposed to ride along here, like so. And I figure some of you guys out there that have worked in the industry of repairing this equipment, I don't know what the name is on this. I don't know the brand name. I don't know anything. All I know is that these are called track roller bearings, and like I got to get the width of them, and the inside diameter, like I said, is 30, and then the outside diameter I think is about 2 inches. Mostly all this stuff is measured in metric, and so I'm going to measure this up here now. And I'm trying to see if I can get someone to source it for me or know a lot more about it than I do. I would like to find these, and if I got an order in a set, so I'd have them. And it's like, it's not something you're going to buy. This is an old machine. I don't know what year it is. There's one tag on it over there, and everything's going to go off it. I can't see nothing, so I don't even know the manufacturer of it. It's just this type of system. Just a big, large X pattern. There's 2 of them. One goes underneath each ramp, and they're mounted on top of this frame here. The locking mechanism is right here. Then when it goes up, it locks it from in place as it goes along. So if you know where I can source bearings like this here, or you're familiar with this type of thing, I greatly appreciate any information you can give me on these here. The inside diameter right here is 30 millimeters. The outside diameter here is 30 millimeters, and this here is 50 millimeters. So that's the measurements I'm looking for.